Welcome to the Cost Benefits seminar. So here's some questions to consider on internal and external failure. Consider an organisation. What are the costs of external failure and what are the costs of internal failure? Now I'd like you to again consider an organisation that you're familiar with. Which of the cost models we described would fit that organisation? And I'd like you to think and detail the rationale behind your decision of which of the cost models you'd like to choose. Finally, I want you to imagine that you're a manager. You're the new operations manager of a small firm. You've been asked to identify and eliminate waste. What theory will you apply? What types of waste will you look for, and how will you eliminate these wastes? What benefits will you expect? What measurement systems will you use, and when will you start to measure, and why? Explain the tools you will use and describe any changes you think you might face. Please see the other videos in this quality series.